Welcome in, guys. Adam Tumanero here, professional drummer and product specialist for Alesis Drums. In this quick video, I'll cover everything that you need to know about the Nitro Ultimate. This incredible e-kit is packed with features that give drummers of all ages a robust and durable setup with a super realistic playing experience. Not to mention, it sounds absolutely killer. Whether you're a brand new drummer looking to practice at home or a returning veteran who's looking to get back on stage, this kit will get the job done and then some. In the box, we have 5 drums, 4 cymbals, our steel drum rack, and the module. Our 8-inch drums are for your toms, and they can be configured in multiple ways for any style of drumming. Our snare drum is a bit wider and deeper for a realistic look and feel, coming in at 10 inches by 4 inches. The bass drum tower is 8 inches wide, which is perfect for metal and rock players who want to use a double bass pedal. Every drum on the Nitro Ultimate has mesh heads, which offer the most realistic feeling, response, and long-term durability. All drum heads can be tightened or loosened to dial in the perfect playing tension. While some e-drums at this price point only offer single-zone snares and toms, the Nitro Ultimate has dual zones on every drum, meaning you can play both the rims and the heads for next-level realism. The 4 included cymbals are 10 inches in diameter, and each cymbal has 2 playable zones located on the edge of the cymbal and the bow of the cymbal. These zones allow each cymbal to be much more expressive than a single zone cymbal, as you can seamlessly transition between a softer tip sound and a more aggressive edge sound with your drumsticks. Each cymbal can also be choked, which allows for tons of creative options in your drumming. Unlike most e-drums at this price point, the Nitro Ultimate's hi-hats are not mounted to the drum rack, but instead live on an independent hi-hat stand of your choice. A separate hi-hat stand, whether an older model that you already own or a new one that you purchase separately to accompany this kit, will provide much more control over your hi-hat's position and allow for several advanced foot techniques. Each of the Nitro Ultimate cymbals have a unique circular lathing pattern, which looks as good on camera as it does in person. The cymbal texture, combined with the Strata Red wrap on every drum, give this kit a powerful and professional look. The Nitro Ultimate's module packs over 52 individual drum sets with over 640 sounds in total. For even more sonic freedom, drummers can connect their module via MIDI to their computer and access the BFD Player software for even more incredible drum sounds. This module also includes a Bluetooth feature, which is a game changer for drummers who want to jam or practice with music quickly. No cables, no adapters, just connect to the module from your phone, tablet, or computer and play along with streaming audio in seconds. And finally, we have our beefed up drum rack. Acting as the skeleton of the kit, the Nitro Ultimate's rack is super heavy duty, featuring curved steel crossbars, reinforced mounts, and the leg height to accommodate any size drummer. The Nitro Ultimate's rack is as rugged as they come without being too heavy to move or lift when needed. And that's it for the Nitro Ultimate. I'll leave you with a few short demos of my favorite presets. Thanks for watching, guys.